this episode of the OH2 Garage, Tom and I say goodbye to the Bug. The Baja is on the market, it's for sale, but before we sell it, we're going to go to one of the best car shows. Let's go. Guys, how are you? Welcome to the final trip for the Bug. We are heading towards the wintertime show and shine. It's on a Saturday night and it's at the Adelaide Entertainment Centre in a car park, which is a pretty cool sort of a concept. And we're in the Bug and it's going to be the longest road trip we've ever done. So strap in because there's no guarantee we're going to make it. It's car show time and there are cars absolutely everywhere. Right in front of us is a really cool Elfin Streamliner. But what we're actually doing, sorry to turn the camera around so much, is we don't want to get caught on this ramp. So we're going to wait for the ramp to clear before we charge up. And we might do so at speed. So hold tight. Well, Tom, mate, the longest drive in a Volkswagen ever that we've ever had, and there was a few hiccups along the way, mate, but we made it. Yeah. Now, this is a really interesting show. Why is this show so interesting? And I'll just turn it around. What's the story with the colours?
Each floor represents a colour.
All right, so each floor represents a colour. What colours do we drive through?
Red, black, blue, silver, and there's a bit of green over there.
Absolutely.
So what's your favourite car, Dad?
Didn't think you were going to ask me. My favourite car of all the cars that are here would have to be that. I love cars. All right, Tom, you've had a look at all the cars. You've booked up all the aisles, all the different colours. What is your, take you to one, what is your favourite car of this incredible show? Oh, with the blower. The big block with the blower.
Yeah.
That was nice. That was really nice. Alright guys, well that brings the end to this episode, and the car show was awesome, and it was a fitting way to end the season. The Bug is on the road after, I don't know, about 4 or 5 years of being off. You must be pretty happy, Tom?
It's good.
It certainly is. So that means the Bug's now going up for sale. We're going to sell it, and that means we're moving on to a brand new season. We'll see him then?
Yeah.
We'll see you then. You know when you have one of those days where everything works, everything falls into place, it all goes the right way, you know, you just feel like you've won the lottery. This is not one of those days. Let me tell you, this is not one of those days.